romantic love offers the seeds to heal. Because when we get hurt in romantic love, the hurt isn't from real love. Anyway, what I wrote is, romantic love offers seeds of healing. True love or real love is the best feeling. True love heals it all and is the best feeling. So true love, real love, what they say is the vibration of the universe, which is unconditional love. That's what the mystics and the spiritual people say of all ages. That's the most powerful, one of the most, if not the most beautiful feeling, to live in our heart. And the heart is the essence of the teaching of Jesus and so many other people. Its heart is in the middle of our chakras. It's the balance between heaven and earth, crown chakra, and lightness, and physical, grounded, heavier world. So that's what real love does. When we are in our heart, and they say the longest distance is from the head to the heart. So if ever you're upset in a relationship, just realize, acknowledge and question yourself, am I in my head or am I really deep in my heart? And when we're in our head and we're thinking a lot, and we're thinking and judging and upset and reactive and thinking how bad others are, and the quotation comes to me like, don't judge another person until you walked a mile in their shoes. But really, we shouldn't judge another person until we've walked a lifetime in their shoes, which of course we cannot do, so we should never judge another person. And to judge doesn't mean to analyse or to critique or to like wish them better and to offer them feedback, when it's a good time, of course. To judge doesn't mean to like use your mind and to discern between like positive and negative. But to judge in this sense means to like condemn or attack, to put down, etc., even if it's in our thoughts. And of course, that thought is not in the heart. It's not a heart thought. It's a thought, or an ego or trauma thought, coming from past conditioning. So relationship and people love. Does love hurt? Romance hurt. The hurt that comes up in romance when we feel hurt, sad, and upset. That's trauma from childhood. That's not like unconditional love, which is a super high vibration. When we feel super high vibration, that's like powerful. That's very expansive, and it's deep, and it's transformative. It's positive. It's helpful. It's transmogrifying, as in completely transforming. But so when we feel hurt with romantic love, it's not like love hurting us. Well, you can call it romance hurting us. Romance hurts. And that's when we just have a whole lot of stuff inside us to be like straightened out, like cleared up, like leveled, healed, blocks to be let go of, old stuff to be shed, undigested emotions from childhood to be felt. You can't heal it unless you feel it a lot of the time, but not always. There's many ways we can heal without having to feel. But yeah, healing is like having a big many splinters in us, and we just take it out. Like when we get triggered, it's almost like when we get triggered and we're aware of it, and we're going to feel the feelings for healing, it's like taking out a splinter. It can hurt. So, but that's the seed of and opportunity of great growth and expansion. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Come back again. Befriend me on Facebook and Instagram, anywhere even in real life, out there in the world. Befriend me in my Yahoo email. Send me a mail. Feel welcome to share this video with your friends and family, of course, and get in touch. And check out my links below for my herb store discount, 10% off. Orders right now. One love, one family coupon code, as well as 40% off relationship coaching and personal coaching. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for all your love and comments. And if you have any questions, please leave them. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a lovely day.